This brings us to the end of these tutorials on Adobe Audition CS6. I hope that for whatever tutorials you watched that they were helpful and they were worth your time. Before signing off, I want to tell you about a few resources that you can tap in case you run into some roadblocks. Number one on the list is to use Help, the help that's built into Audition. To access that, of course, you go to Help and click on this first thing here, or just press the F1 shortcut key. It's such a common thing that F1 is the shortcut key. Takes you to a website which has the Audition help on it. It says CS5 here because I'm doing this before they created the CS6 help file. Nevertheless, when you get here, you can check the table of contents or search and use the search tool. The search tool is very helpful. I'll type in something like markers, for example. And notice when I do search, I like to have this little checkbox checked. That's because I limit myself to just this reference. If I uncheck this, it finds things outside of the Audition reference and things that have nothing to do with Audition. So I like to leave that checked. And now if I just press return and see what we got there, we're going to get the whole selection of things about markers and only about Audition, which I think is very helpful to do it that way. So back inside Audition, there's another way to seek help a little bit more directly. Let's say I want to apply an effect to this clip. I'll apply a complicated one, like a multi-band compressor. And if you look at that thing, you might go, oh my goodness, all those properties, what do I do? What you can do is click on this little eye, this little information button. It'll take you directly to that effect inside the help file and give you a rundown on all the various properties and explain what they all mean. So that's helpful too. And finally, there is the Adobe Forums site. There's a forum for each product that Adobe makes, including Audition. If you go here, you can ask questions, and there are people online here, not only people who work for Adobe, but people who work with this product. And most of your questions can be answered pretty directly and pretty quickly. So if you do run into a problem that the help files can't help you with, just run over to the forum site and search for an answer first. And if you can't find it that way, then type in a question and see if folks can help you out. So that's it. Thanks for watching these tutorials. I hope they've been helpful.